Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest?
Audio File Production.
Oh my god, I left the house like 3 hours ago. I'm still stuck in traffic. My flight is less than 4 hours. I'm supposed to be at the airport 3 hours before departure, and now it's about to rain. Oh my god, do not touch the dial. Oh my god, guys, this has been a very chaotic trip. No, it's like very chaotic, okay, very interesting. But we are not gonna miss our flight. That's one thing that we're sure about. By God's grace, fingers crossed. Yes. The last 5. We are so late. Thank you guys. We're boarding. I am super exhausted, but I'm gonna let you guys now. Keep you guys updated as we go. I don't want this vlog to be too long. You feel me? Say hi to Tolu. Hi, it's Tolu. Hi guys. Yes, we are boarding now, and hopefully it's gonna be a big over my YouTube channel. You'll be seeing me more.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but
guys, let me give you guys an update. This flight is for 8 hours to Doha, and that was scary. I still haven't slept. We've been flying for 6 hours. I envy everyone right now on this flight that has been sleeping. Your girl here has no sense sleep. Look at my eyes, they are red. I need to sleep. Yeah. I'm at the lavatory. I like the lighting here, it's so good.
I'm taking the brown line, minding my business. Then it's your stop and I can't help myself. Searching the platform for a glimpse of your profile. I'd recognize you even after a while. You felt like you were flying when the train crossed the river. It was your favorite part of the ride.
So we just arrived at Doha Airport, Qatar, and we're just gonna connect our flight to Lebanon. So yeah, updating you guys as usual.
Vlogger.
Oh my god.
I saw that likes the work more than
No
I
time.
got my time for it before.
But yeah, we're still looking for our connecting flights. Hopefully we don't get lost. This place is so gorgeous and big. Yeah.
I'm wearing your t-shirt. It smells like roses after rain. There was storm. I tried to flirt, but you mess with neurons in my brain. When I see you, it's like being struck by lightning. I'm giddy.
Guys, I just finally got my passport stamped and baggage claimed. So we're about heading to the resort. I can't wait to show you guys J&T over Lebanon.
Don't travel. Your stomach is full, Abby.
So, how was your trip?
It was fine. I enjoyed myself. It was stressful though.
Oh my god.
We moved.
I'm wearing your t-shirt. It smells like roses after rain. Though I storm, I tried to flirt, but you mess with neurons in my brain. When I see you, it's like being struck by lightning. I'm giddy, I'm nervous, and it's honestly so free.
I'm gonna get food because daughter of Zion is hungry. You feel me?
But it's different living around it. What do I call this feeling? Feet on the ground, head in the sky. Real life, but like I'm dreaming.
Yeah. What are you saying?
This is 300,000 Lebanese currency.
300,000.
Yeah,
Are you
but
playing?
it's just $3.
Jesus.
Just $3, yeah.
Oh,
so that's
a
how the money is. So I'm gonna be a billionaire very soon.
I can't wait to be a millionaire.
Be a millionaire
Guys, will you believe that? See what we spent? We spent 5.8 million I want to say naira, 5.8 million Lebanese pounds, but it's just $64, guys. Like their currency's value. You guys, I'm gonna be having the first bite of the Lebanese food. Are you playing?
I'm joking. You can do like 20 and just make sense.
I was. I am. That's for YouTube. Not for loving Ben for
This is very funny. You are content. Everybody's focused on other things. Since morning, that content is and this thing, when I send this thing to the people, everybody should download it too. I want to send this morning.
Say that's HD first.
No.
HD. Why do you guys like HD so much?
Content is not HD.
HD.
HD photos.
Oh, okay, photos, not videos.
They are not ready.
I wish I can.
People that make ladies die.
Are you playing? Pickles. The pickles.
Hello, Lebanon! We are here! Yeah, record! Hey! I cannot even see that one because of content. I can't describe what goes on inside. What do I call this feeling? 'Cause I think you give me butterflies. I think that your voice sounds like honey on a summer's day. Did I say it out loud? It's your fault for making me this way. 'Cause when
You guys out here.
You guys, look where we are. What? Look at where we are. Yes. Qatar Resort. Punjabi. Bye.
What did you say? Finally, don't say I didn't call you. Selfie. Oh.
It will take us. It's gonna take me.
Okay. If you want, take a seat. There is space here.
Thank
you. We can't.
Anna, come on. Okay. It's 2-2.
Okay.
Is it 2-2? I can stay here now. Daddy, my jacket. Thank you. Thank you. I love my Cinderella ride.
That's Zalamba.
Shift for her. See, that's how you left your
Wait,
babe.
I thought
She went ahead of us.
she was in one of these stuff
And you
now.
can't even get down to that meter. She would not try. This time to fly out. You know, she said her lover is in Beirut. Maybe she was specific. Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. Let me know if you get anybody. Hi. Tired of coming.
Just why you made it. My heart goes out to you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, it reminds me of Mauritius.
Yo, we outside. Oh.
This is what they call edge of life series. And let's come to the
And tomorrow,
like, come on.
this is P.
Yeah,
So where is the F? Like, just looking for our room. So where is the F now? Where is my room? You're not saying anything.
103. Excuse me.
Is this mine?
It's F107.
10? 1? Okay, you're with it. You're with mine. This should be it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, this is our room. Anyway, we have a twin bed for my roommate and I. I'm just gonna be very, very brief. I don't know what this is for. You can already see a mini fridge, cabinets. Oh, I always love the bathroom space. I think this will be all for now. I'ma maybe show you guys later. Hey guys, I just finally settled down. So I haven't really settled. I just got in, so I'm just gonna freshen up and then catch up on the next agenda for today. It's already past 5 or to 6 ish. Yeah, we're in Lebanon and everything is fine. Yeah. But the room is so pretty though. I won't even lie, yeah, this place is so gorgeous. It's amazing. It's giving everything it should give. If you come here and you don't have a partner, I'm sorry for you. Just like I'm sorry for myself right now. I've got my luggage, yo. Look at this gorgeous. You guys, it's still the same day that we arrived Lebanon, and yeah, see the way I slept off. I wanted to have my bath and then I just slept off like that. By the time I woke up, it was already past 9 p.m. ish. My roommate she went out, so I have to go look for where she is so I can join the rest of the party. And yeah, I have to do a little bit of work because I have to work. I work all the time, so even when I'm on vacation, I'm still working. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I will see what. I haven't gone out this night yet, so I want to see what the view is like this night. So guys, let's check out this Qatar resort together. Who is happy? I am happy. I am super excited. Oh, you guys, this is such a pretty view. You guys know we're on a mountain, right? Look at that. It is so pretty at night. Look at the view. Look. See, let me show you guys. Here, that's the pool at night. I think I can hear my people. Oh, it's such a gorgeous place at night. And I got the cliff room, so I have to run down this mountain. Where are my people? I've been hearing their voices. Okay, I can see them. It's so cute. Why are you doing this now?